So we're heading out to our first off-road trip with the new Defender. We are on our way to the Hackett and Longwater trails and possibly Metbury Gulch as well. We are currently just on the Forest Service Road on the way in, and just enjoying the day. I don't know if you can see, I have the little vehicle display on the windshield there, and the automatic hill descent control kind of keeping us right around 10 miles an hour. We're going down the hills and just letting the truck do its thing. Well, the conditions have changed pretty quickly on us here. We got some snow coming down, but other than that, it's nice and comfy in the truck, and we're just driving along, and we should be to the trail in the next 5-10 minutes or so, and then we'll see how she does on the trail. Alright, so we are now on Hacket Gulch Trail, and as always, letting the truck do its thing. So far, so good. We'll haven't really gotten to any real obstacles yet, so we'll check back in once we're onto some tougher obstacles, but the automatic braking for the hill descent control is working really well. Does a great job of holding the speeds, even down to probably a mile an hour or less. It seems really good. So we'll just cruise along this trail, and I'll check back in once we get to an obstacle. Alright, we got first minor obstacle here, or minor, not really an obstacle, but just loose rocks and stuff coming up here, and we get a little bit of an obstacle after this turn, so we'll just drive on through and see how she does. I'm gonna hold the camera back further. A little bit of a dip at the bottom of this and a steep lip here, so we'll see how she does. A little too slippery right there. Let's see here. Make sure we're in rock crawl mode so we get our locker action. Try a slightly different line. There we go. That's all we needed. Wet granite makes it slippery. Now we're coming up on the obstacle known as Hackett Rock. We'll see how we can do on that. Hopefully it's not too dug out and too nasty.
So this is the obstacle Hackett Rock that we will be going up.
Why is it not giving me weight sensing? What am I doing wrong? Luckily, the water level's low anyway. Here we go. Yay, water crossings. The automatic train control system where I don't touch the gas or the brake. We'll see what happens. Still haven't touched the brake. Alright, so we just finished Hackett and Longwater down outside of Woodland Park, Colorado, with our completely stock 2020 Defender 110 Model X, and she did really well. A couple light scrapes here and there, but I'll give you a quick review, and you can see that there's really no damage whatsoever for the challenging trails that we were on. Let's see if I can do this. Well, I'll just do it this way. So we got a couple light scrapes on the wheel there, little Colorado pinstriping.
Let it go better. Got your wheel.
Yep. Up underneath, really didn't catch anything at all. Clearance was really good. Really didn't scrape at all. Just pretty much on the wheels, and we went through some challenging stuff. No body damage. And just a little light scrape down over here somewhere on one of the plastics. But as you can see, skid plates are still in good shape. No heavy scratching. So that's about it. Truck did wonderful. And looking forward to doing more trips with it.